Hey guys, so I have, you know that we have to wear our mask. So I found a good idea to wear my mask around my neck because I'm the type of person that forgets her mask in the car, and that's not good. So I have this here cute little face mask with flowers and everything. And then I have this eyeglass cord, which I got at the Dollar Tree. Is black, so you guys can see black. And then I got myself some safety pins here. They're small, large, and medium safety pins. So the first thing is to open this eyeglass cord. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I have my mask here. We're gonna go ahead and open this. So is this type of cord here that it's for the glasses when you have to put them in your glasses like that. So I got this one with black, and it has little white flowers in here. It's just really cute. Now I got these also at Dollar Tree. What I like is it has a lot of safety pins, a lot of small ones and large ones. So we're going to go ahead and open this carefully. And we're going to choose a very, very small ones, which there's this one right here. We're going to use 2. Like that. So now we're going to grab our mask. You can grab any mask. I have this one, which is really cute. And this is on the bottom like that, and it has strings. So now the way that I like to use it is going like this, or sometimes like this. Just depends. I'm going to use it like that. So I'm going to grab it. I'm going to grab my safety pin like that. And I'm going to do, I don't take anything off, just this little small loop. I just put the safety pin in the small little loop like this. You can see that. And now what I do is I'll put it not next to the string here, but just like on top, like let me show you guys, like on top, like right here. Just insert it and close it. There it is. So there's one, so you guys can see. Let me see if this focuses. Okay, it doesn't focus, but you guys can see this little spot right here. This is what I did. Now I'm going to repeat the same process on the other side. Alrighty, there you go. So now we're going to test. We're going to test this out. So you have it like this, which is very amazing. And now, go ahead and grab it. Here's my little elastics. And there you go. You have yourself a nice, beautiful mask. And you have these hanging up here. So you have a nice, beautiful mask. I have to wear mine all the way up here. Just the reasons I have glasses and they get a little foggy. But here you go. This is what I do here. You have the little things here at the bottom. And after you're done, you can just leave it like that. And you have your mask. And when you get off to the store or something, you have your mask around your neck, which is very nice. And there you go. Simple, easiest, fun thing to do, because this was such a good idea, because wearing mask and when you get off really quickly, just everything, you don't have your mask, you don't have it with you, and then you have to go back to your car. And this is a really good idea. I also have a blue one that I did. Let me show you. Okay, so this is my blue one. It's the surgical mask here that I like to wear. And then I have this blue one, which is very cute. I also got this at the Dollar Tree. So this is a blue one that I have. I think I breathe more carefully with this one than this one. This one in the summer, it gets really, like, I can't breathe. So I use this one. Sometimes when right now it's really cold, this one will look good. But yeah, this one's the one, and I did the same thing. Safety pins there, and this one. I also have a pink one, but I don't have a pink mask. If I find a pink mask, I'll probably wear it. So I as well got this one pink. And then I also got a red one, which you get this at the Dollar Tree. It's pretty amazing. If I had a red one, I can use a red one also in this mask because it has red, but I use the black one, this one. And then I also have this purple one, which I don't have a purple mask. But I mean, if I find a purple mask, that'll be amazing. So I have all these awesome colors here that you can combine with your face mask just to give it a nice, beautiful touch. And the only thing you need is just these Dollar Tree. You don't need scissors or anything, and safety pins. These I got these at Dollar Tree. They're really come in handy, and that's all you need. So this is an easy way so you guys can get like an example of how to wear your mask, because honestly, wearing masks and forgetting them in the car, you have to go back to the car. It's really like, oh, it's just stupid. But yeah, so this one's pretty nice. I got these two. I'm gonna buy more face masks because I really need a lot of face masks. This one you get to wash and renew it. This one, of course, you throw it away and you grab a new one. So yeah, so I got these two. That's it. That's all I wanted to show you guys. The fun stuff that you can do for your face mask if you're the type of person like myself that you forget your mask when you get off the car or you forget at a house. You just put it around your neck and that's why you won't forget it. I have many questions like that is such a good idea, and I'm like, yes, it is. So yeah, so I really hope you guys enjoy this mask ideas for when you go out. And if you guys like it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel. And and also push the notification bell as well so you guys won't miss on my videos. And have a nice day. Stay safe out there, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.